All said, Panorama General Machine is not classy. Today, a universal high-end 360 car camera has arrived. It's the new 3D plus 360 degrees panoramic universal split machine from Wemaer. Front load chip faster, steadier and smoother. The core of this new 3D plus panoramic universal split machine is very powerful. It uses the all-winner T7 chip, which is a preloading level special chip for vehicles. The technology is mature and stable, and the processing data is high-speed. Moreover, the system interface has undergone new optimization, resulting in a faster, more stable, and smoother handling experience. 6-core CPU plus GPU, 1.2 GHz, new algorithm. Making the view look good and clear. The high end of this product is also reflected in the extreme display of the screen. It adopts a new algorithm, with exquisite and delicate view images, and can display multiple sets of 3-in-1 views. Multiple blind spots can be seen on the same screen, making the display intuitive and clear. Safe and practical. Function introduction. Subtitle: driving track, reversing track, 3-in-1 view, view mode rich and diverse. 2D and 3D view free switch, mosaic efficient and accurate, parking monitoring, 4-way driving record, hundreds of 1-to-1 original car 3D models. It is not only safe and practical, with a strong sense of technology and fashion, but also has an after-sales repair rate of less than 5 per thousand. After experiencing this high-end new 3D plus panorama, you are also impressed, right? Come and experience.